Boil the spaghetti al dente while you make the sauce. On medium to high heat, add the oils and the meat and stir. Onions in. Mixed vegetables in. Time for garlic. Add the cumin. Paprika in. Black pepper and salt. Lower the heat to medium. Add the chopped tomatoes. Then fill half of the tin with boiling water. Add it in and keep stirring. Add the sugar, then stir. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens. As you can see, the sauce is now thick enough, not runny and not too dry. Throw the boiled spaghetti in, mix well, and that's the final result. This is the easiest and quickest yet super tasty spaghetti bolognese out there. Try it and let me know what you think.